Hi guys, my name is Anna and I have little speech I prepared for you. I came to the United States more than 10 years ago. I wasn't able to communicate with people because of my English. I couldn't hardly talk and understand people around. I went through adult school and college, and so finally I was able to follow my passion in beauty industry. I chose the JD Academy not because of the location, by the way I live 7 minutes from here, but because of two main reasons. First of all, the quality and quantity of educators and the environment. Second, because of the experience I can earn by providing this service on the salon floor. I want to thank Miss Janet for the world she created for all of us. The collaboration between teachers, students, clients, and the whole JD Academy staff is very valuable and benefits everyone. Before I made my decision to become a JD Academy student, I visited all the schools around the area, and none one can compete with this place. I really enjoy every day being here, from the bottom of my heart. And this place gives me confidence and helps me follow my dreams. Thank you to all teachers for being very supportive and encouraging. I learned so much, and my future success will be based on your inspiration. Thank you to all my classmates for being such a good people. I'm so grateful for each of you. Every smile, every joke, every day we share was wonderful. Thank you to all staff for keeping this place well organized and clean. I would like to give some suggestions to all the students here. From my point of view, it will help you to become not only successful students, but also the better version of yourself. Respect teachers. The knowledge and their experience are true gold. Take in as much as you can handle by listening, watching and asking questions. Respect your peers. You never know what is going on outside of school, but you have the power to help and support them. Respect your clients by providing the best service you can. Most the clients the JD Academy are the sweetest people ever. They support the JD Academy and give you the chance to gain the experience before stepping on into the beauty industry. Treat them as you treat your best friends. You are capable to make their day by doing their hair or skin. Be positive, kind, open and honest. Don't only do what you love, but also love what you do. And the last one didn't fit on my first page. No one has ever become poor from giving. Thank you so much.